Welcome. If you've ever wanted to bring your friends, family, or colleagues together in one place for easy chatting, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll show you how to start a group chat on Messenger with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're planning an event, sharing updates, or just want a space for everyone to connect, creating a group chat is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You'll see the familiar home screen with all your recent conversations. At the top right corner, look for the pencil icon or the new message button. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your gateway to starting new conversations, including group chats. Next, you'll see a few options pop up. Choose Group Chat. This is where the magic happens. Now it's time to pick who you want in your group. Scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to find friends, family members, or colleagues you want to add. Simply tap on each name to select them. You can add as many people as you like. Messenger makes it easy to bring your whole crew together. Once you've selected everyone you want, take a moment to review your list. Happy with your choices? Perfect. Now tap the Create button at the top right. Just like that, your new group chat is ready to go. You can now start sending messages, photos, videos, or even voice notes to everyone in the group at once. Don't forget to give your group a fun name and maybe even set a group photo to make it feel more personal. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've created a space where everyone can stay connected and up to date. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!